guys, welcome to Tech Seer. In this video, I'll be explaining why you should not buy Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus. You should probably watch this video to the end to know the reason not to buy Samsung Galaxy's new flagship S20 or S20 Plus. First demerit is Galaxy S20, S20 Plus does not have headphone jack 3.5mm like new Apple smartphone. 3.5mm headphone jack is still important these days, especially for anyone who already have high-end headset with 3.5mm jack. If you buy S20, then you have to buy a Bluetooth wireless headphone, which is a small problem though, but you will not be able to use your headphone through wire communication. And the thing is, Galaxy S20, S20 Plus does not have LED light flash at front camera. As you can see at front, it has 10 megapixels camera for selfie photography and video. Though it can record video using wide lens up to 2060 pixels at 30 to 2060 fps, but we cannot use light flash when the situation is very dark. Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus battery is not removable. We have to know that Samsung designed its body with elegant unibody design. Therefore, we cannot remove or open the battery cover easily. If later time the battery reaches lifetime limit, then we have to bring our phone to Samsung authorized service center for replace with original battery. Another thing is this fingerprint sensor performance is beyond the competition. It seems as if Samsung didn't give much focus in making the fingerprint sensor better. The S20 gets toasty under load, but even then CPU throttling is inevitable. And the big thing is zoom camera is not as sharp as the S20's Ultra at 4 times or 10 times zoom in S20 and S20 Plus. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel to stay tuned.